I'm Brian from Elite 7 Installations Limited. Many of you will know us or know of me from being the Hanwha distributor in the UK for many years. Hanwha have been making machines for 36 years now, and going by the grey on my hair, you can probably see that I've been part of that journey for a considerable amount of time. 27 years, I think. So today we're proud to introduce to you a brand new model. This is the DECAN L1. As you can see, looks very much like, if not the same as the DECAN S1. The DECAN S1 being the 10-head machine, flexible mounter, but some people might call it a chip shooter, but we can define chip shooters in many ways these days. We've got models that'll do over 80,000 components an hour. We've got some that do over 100,000 in very small footprint. But anyway, back to the DECAN L1. So we've been waiting for this machine for quite a long time. Really excited to be the first in Europe to have one. It's been with us about a week now, and someone's very lucky enough to have already bought it. So we're installing that on the 15th of October. We've already bench tested it. Does exactly what it says on the tin. And we're just going to run through a few specs before we look at the machine in some detail. So yeah, this machine, flexible mounter, 6 heads, similar to the 482, which has been our best-selling machine for a lot of years. The L1, without a doubt, is going to be probably the new, well, not probably, but the new bestseller for us. So 6 heads, goes down to 01005. This machine's now got increased placement range, so it does up to 25 mil tall. In all these years, I've seen tall components, but not really done on a regular basis. Probably the most I've seen on a regular basis would be about 18 mil tall. So doing 25 mil tall's a big bonus. As you can see, this machine, although we can do much bigger than that, this machine will do 210 by 210 board size. Component size, again, gone longer, 100 mil long, 100 mil by 75 actually. Can't even imagine what size component that would be. I have seen big things on back planes before, but pretty big. Yep, height's increased, size increased, board size increased. Maximum board size optional, we can go up to 1500 now. So pretty big. We've done that on a 481 before, but never on a 6-head machine. Yeah, so the resolution is much better, so more flexible. What else we've got to talk about? Minimum board size 50 by 40, so fairly standard for our machines. Thickness now 4.2, which is really good. But hardware-wise, some improvements. So the speed is the same as the 482 Plus, but because the height's increased, generally the alignment would be a lot slower. So on this machine now, you can see we've got linear motors. A lot cleaner, quieter, smoother, less maintenance. This one, isn't that beautiful? Overall, the 482 is about 220 millimeters longer in line length. So DECAN series is shorter, so obviously less factory space. Yeah, all in all, really super good. Super excited to sell this machine. Can't wait to get it out there, and I think you guys need to be the next one for it. So we've got another one coming in next week. If you want to come and see it, you know where we are. Have a great day. P.S. I made a boo-boo. Standard board size is 510 by 510. For some reason I said 210. That's absolute rubbish. So 510 by 510. I'm going to show you a little video of both machines running now so you can see how quiet they are. A couple of other good things about this machine which I forgot about. 2 fiducial cameras, so we can see full range of feeder base. And we've also added on the what's called coaxial lighting. So coaxial lighting is like a diffused white light. It's really good for seeing shield components or white components with bright leads, that kind of thing. Ultra good for that. So yeah, we've now got inner, outer, and coaxial lighting. It's very good. And have a great day.